Hello and welcome to the PTBoard tutorial video for Student Directory. In this video, we will walk through the different features of PTBoard Student Directory. As an administrator, if you do not have student and parent information, please ask parents to fill out the information under the My Student tab, so you may approve and reject requests under the Pending List tab. Displayed now is the parent view for the student directory. Parents only have access to the student directory and My Student tabs. Parents can click the My Student tab in order to add a student to the directory by clicking Add a Student, then filling out the form accordingly. If parents would not like student information to show up in the directory, they can uncheck the checkbox here. Once parents submit the student information, administrators can review and approve it, allowing the students to appear in the student directory. The pending list consists of the list of students who need to be reviewed for approval. Administrators can edit student information or simply reject or approve. However, if you do have parent and student information for the directory, administrators also have the ability to upload student directories themselves using the Upload Directory tab. Simply download the spreadsheet template using the link in Step 1. When filling out the spreadsheet, please take note of the bulleted items. Do not change the columns of the template and make sure to fill out the student name and one parent name and email at a minimum. Also, PTBoard will automatically list the students in alphabetical order by last name, so it is not necessary to enter all students in alphabetical order in the spreadsheet. If you would like to create separate directories based on class or grade, you can prepare a spreadsheet for that class or grade. You can then select which class or grade the directory you are uploading is designated for, or select NA in the drop-down menu if the directory is for the entire school. Click here to add or edit classes and grades. Next, please select whether or not you would like invitation emails to be sent to all new users. PTBoard will automatically send emails to the parents in the spreadsheet if those parents are not yet members of your school on PTBoard. However, if you would not like to do this, please click the checkbox here. The last step is to choose the directory spreadsheet from your computer. Once you have clicked it, double-check that all information is correct and upload with the green Upload button. Now the student directory section will be updated with all new students. You may have to refresh the page if you go right back to the student directory section after uploading. The first tab, Student Directory, will display all students and their information in alphabetical order. You may use the search bar to find specific students or parents. Simply enter a student or parent name or parent email address. Admins are able to edit or remove a student's directory information. Admins can also download the student directory as a CSV or PDF file. Once the student directory is ready, admins can open it up to school members. An active school member is not immediately guaranteed student directory access unless administrators would like to grant access to all school members. Admins can click the Who Can View tab to grant student directory access permission. All super admins and operational admins who have the privilege to manage the student directory will also have access to view the directory. For other members of your school, you may choose one of three options. The first option is to allow everyone in your school to view the directory. The next option is to only allow members who have paid their membership fee to view the directory. Lastly, you may choose the custom option and manually select which users you wish to allow access to the directory for. Simply click the switch to the right of a user's name to change their access permission. Thank you for watching. Please check out the directory feature for yourself, and if you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.